Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Nest to control Wyze cameras. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have both the Google Home app and the Wyze app installed on your smartphone. Open the Wyze app first and log into your account. Navigate to the home screen and tap on the device you want to connect to Google Nest. Once on the device's control page, locate the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on the three-dot menu and select the Device Settings option. Scroll down to find Integration. In the Integration section, look for Google Assistant or Google Nest and select it. You will see an option to link your Wyze account to Google Assistant. Tap on the Link Account button. This action will redirect you to a login page where you need to enter your Wyze account credentials. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Google Nest to access your Wyze cameras. After granting permission, you will be redirected back to the Wyze app. At this point, the integration is almost complete. Open the Google Home app now. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Set Up Device from the list of options. Choose Works with Google to find and link third-party services. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate Wyze. Once found, tap on it. You will then need to log in again with your Wyze credentials to finalize the linking process. After successful login, grant any additional permissions requested. Once everything is set, your Wyze cameras will now be available in the Google Home app. You can test the integration by trying voice commands like, "Hey Google, show me the living room camera." Ensure that your Google Nest device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Wyze cameras for optimal performance. If the connection is successful, your Wyze cameras will now respond to Google Assistant voice commands seamlessly. You're all set to enjoy controlling your Wyze cameras through Google Nest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.